Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in this tutorial we will see how to create a fake motion blur in Photoshop. Well, for those who don't know what motion blur is, well basically motion blur is the blur obtained when your subject is moving fast and the background is not in focus. So for that, what we will do is we will work with this image and this one over here. So we have these two images, and to start with, I have already selected the main object which we have to keep in focus, and same with this case, the object which we have to keep in focus, rest all will get blurred. And secondly, what I have done is this normal layer has been created as a it's converted as a smart filter. So as you can see, the icon appears over here for the thumbnail of smart object. Same way with this image. Now to start, we have already selected the main object. Go to select and tap on this inverse option. So once you select the inverse option, as you can see, the selection has been inverted, and now the whole image except the main subject has been selected. In previous case, the subject was selected, but in this case, as you can see, the whole image is selected except for the subject. Now using this selection, we will go to filter and go to blur over here, and over here in blur we'll use motion blur. So as you can see, we are getting the motion blur already in the image, and these are the controls. So we have this angle and the distance. So angle will change it to, let's say, 0, because we want the blur in that direction, in this direction, not in this direction. So we can type the angle as well. Angle is 0, and distance we can reduce. This is normal. This is kind of high blur, but yeah, that is required in some cases. We won't need that much. We'll need around, let's type in 150. I guess that would work, and then hit enter. So this is the motion blur we have obtained, and the main subject is this who is in focus. Rest everyone is blurred, and we can see the motion blur, the lines that motions create. So this is motion blur for this image. Same way we are going to work with this image. We'll go to select and inverse. So everything except this car is selected now. Then go to filter, blur, and motion blur. Again, we'll have to change the angle and distance, because in this case car is moving in this way, so we have to make a blur on that side. So we'll just rotate this angle around -20. I guess that works. Now we'll reduce the distance 36 or maybe 40. Okay, let's type 45 just for the sake of rounding off, and then click on OK. So as you can see, a blur has been obtained. You can just check the blur. So the car, the main object is in focus, everything else is blurred over here. Same with this case, the main object is in focus and everything else is blurred, and it gives a good effect of the motion blur. So it is used in various types of photography like event photography, sports photography, but they are done professionally by using cameras. You can do this using the Photoshop app as well. So that's the cool trick that Photoshop provides to us. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe to 52 Pixels and tap on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.